hayi siyazi ukuthi eyaseMpumalanga bathi abanye abalalanga abanye bathi abanye bahlukulala yazi nivele nasimotivate lapha eMpumalanga yazi nasenza sawubona umkhonto ukuthi uyaphila indlela nje okwenzeke ngayo besingekho eMpumalanga kodwa siyeza ukuthi eMpumalanga hayi ngeke engathi umzila ugade ngenye indlela engathi eMpumalanga manje ushaka sana eMpumalanga into eniyenza nje ngiqale nje ngayo makhomanda aseMpumalanga azini ukuthi siyanithanda azini futhi namhlanje ukuthi ne influence enhle kishi lento eniyenza eMpumalanga isibonele sihle kakhulu kuthina ibuyisa ithemba elikhulu kakhulu kuthina uma sibona abantu beyinikela ngalendlela engaka eMpumalanga sibingele kakhulu komanda siyacela nje ukuthi sikuphe ithuba nje ukubingelele besinawe emavikini lewayana adlule sisenawo futhi namhlanje kodwa ke namba abantu bakho beze kuwe siyacela nje babingelele.
Commanders, good morning. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala babuthu Khomo. Ngithi condolences to umama olahleke oluze umntwana wakhe and condolences kula ma families ay 14 nawo alahlekelwe yabo eDRC. Bebhlungu kakhulu inhliziyo yami ngibona nje yazi umntwana aphume akhamba aphila abuye seka ayisidumbu akusilula kubhlungu and now namanje ke sithi kibo dududu emndenini and dududu to everyone. But then coming back ke kuyindaba yokuthi ngiyabonga ngithokoze ukuthi invite futhi babukhomo and njengoba utsho nje ukuthi we need to be the light of the world, we need to be the salt of the earth. Ngiyawathanda amazwi akho ukuthi ake si emulate umsholozi sibe babantu bakamsholozi abathanda everyone irrespective of how we are treated. Yabona nje uyaxolelo unqamalala uyathanda akabambi amagcubu nanoma linyazwe kabhlungu mara ngeke umuzwe akhuluma athukana o angaxoleli. So I think I love what you are saying ukuthi asikwenze nathi. Yeah.
Injalo nje komanda nami iyona sifuna kakhulu leyo irrespect yona into ekumele siphile ngayo. Kuyobe senze likhulu phela iphutha uma ngathiwa thina singaba abantu abanganayo respect kodwa umholi wethu indlela ahlonipha ngayo indlela abantu abazi ngayo akakubheki nokuthi umncane umdala kodwa uhlonipha wonke umuntu aphinde futhi ke nje axolele futhi wonke umuntu. Enye into leyo futhi ebaluleke kakhulu abantu ekumele bangayikhohlwa le ukuthi ubaba uNxamalala ubathanda bonke abantu aphinde futhi abaxolele futhi bonke abantu. Mangathi ubaba uNxamalala angathi amxoleli umuntu futhi ngamanye amazwi le emkhontweni impela singehla kakhulu isibalo ngoba iningi lethu noma lingekho kuma structure kodwa iningi lethu abanye babo babethuka inhlamba ubaba uNxamalala nawo ifamily yakhe. But today sonke sila emkhontweni today sonke singumkhonto wesizwe bese ngobani ke thina ke singeke sixolele bese ngobani ke thina singeke sirespect omunye umuntu ekubeni umholi wethu erespecta exolela futhi iyona ebaleka kule nganeza kwethu bamumkwebane sike sakubona kakhulu gijima lapha eMpumalanga ikhona ke event la izolo event eyizolo ngibonile ngiyabhakuza kakhulu imedia wabona ukuthi konakele kakhulu kwenzakalani eMpumalanga akusithathe usibeke ukuthi eMpumalanga kwenzakalani.
Hayi siyabonga
sibonile izolo imedia ibhakuza kakhulu izolo ukuthi konakele eMpumalanga sicela nje usithathe nje usibeke kodwa ke ake siqala ke sime kancane le izolo eMpumalanga yokuthi kwenzakaleni sike sabona eMpumalanga ukuthi indlela enisebenza ngayo indlela ejabulisa kakhulu. eMpumalanga ke kwangathi emva kokhetho ayibonakali kwangathi impumalanga ayibonakali ayiveli yabo nje ukubona kwamanye ama province amanye ingaveli kanti siye kuma election ibivela kakhulu impumalanga kodwa emva kwama election azange siyibone impumalanga kungathi iyavela ukuthi siyibona naye uma ngiqhubeka iyapusha but sifisa ukwazi ukuthi njengamanje njengoba sibona nje kuphushwa into izolo ukuthi kunama member amasha emkhontweni angenile izolo amaningi kakhulu kodwa siyazi ukuthi ayiqali lapho ikhona la isuka khona siyacela nje ukuthi nje usibeke esithombeni nje ngempumalanga ukuthi impumalanga indawo enjani nama challenge akhona futhi ungawashiyi ngoba ayasiza kakhulu njengoba ngithe nje nina manje ni-influence kwamanye ama-province yinto leyo ekumele bayifunde futhi nabanye ukuthi kulama challenges nawo singaphuma kanjani ngoba njengamanje nifane nabanina manje abami phezulu wonke umuntu obheke nini ukuthi niphume kanjani nina ngoba siyanibona ukuthi ngigijima ngenye indlela nathi sifuna ukwazi ukuthi niphume kanjani ukuze nathi kuma province ethu sikwazi ukuphuma ngendlela niphume ngayo ngiyabonga.
Ngiyathokoza babu Khomo.
Yes.
Commander Simpumalanga, I think the last time ngcine kuza uyakhumbula besinganayo i-provincial detachment. Bengicela ukuvakashela ama regions la besi identify khona ama regional leaders ukuthi azongena ke after ku appointwe i-provincial detachment. So okwenzakala ke ukuthi after that kwaba nokuthi ke upresident udelegator ke udeputy president Hlophe ukuthi oversee impumalanga ngokuthi ku appointiwe i-provincial detachment. Because angifuna ukungasho ukuthi indeed we had ama challenges because bengisebenza ne task team upresident nakaceda ukungi-appointa and then after that ke kwaba ukuthi kufanele kube masinya ukuthi ku-appointiwe i-provincial detachment. Then i-provincial detachment ya-appointiwa ke nguNcamalala. Actually why appointa the same week makabuya Ghana and then ba approve ke kwa issue immediate statement nge approval ya le convener uMamkhwebane uNhlamulo Ndlela ya mention ke ukuthi regional detachment the 7 additional members kwaba udeputy convener ba Masombuka ucommander Masombuka kwaba i-coordinator ucommander Mkhatshwa and then kwaba i-deputy coordinator uDr MCB then kwaba organizer provincial organizer ucommander Nkuna Sikhwameni Nkuna then i-deputy organizer kwaba uNjabulo Chibika Mthabela wase Ekhar. So and then i-fundraiser kwaba uMr Maphanga ucommander Maphanga waseNhlanzeni and then i-deputy fundraiser kwaba uMbali Masinga wase Nkangala region because nama region ay 3. So all these regions ke kune representation. There's 3 from Nkangala and then there's 3 from Ehlanzeni, then there's 2 from Egersibande. So that composition ke yiyo ke regional detachment yaseMpumalanga. Indeed ama challenges akhona maningi as we know that I also arrived kwatholakala ukuthi there's a previous former convener uMam Mary Phandi and then kwaba ukuthi ke uyisa inhlangano ecourt and then icourt yathi akabuyiselwe and then kwaba ukuthi asabuyiselwe njalo ke. On the other hand, the organization is very clear, constitution yayo ukuthi kumele siziphathe njani nokuyisa inhlangano ecourt ukuthi automatically you are expelling yourself mawungaka resolve ama internal issues. So kwaba ukuthi ke there's still a number of other commanders unfortunately uthola ukuthi ba member bona ke basazitshela ukuthi balandela uMampadi bakhohlwa ukuthi fanele kube in whatever they do and konke sikwenza kufanele silwele umkhonto wesizwe singabi ma member of members. Okwamanje upresident uthe convener as advocate Mkhwebane but mhla upresident decide ukuthi ngikudeploy somewhere else whoever ozitshela ukuthi hey ngiyamthanda uMamkhwebane but fanele ba follow what the president has ordered. So president has spoken, we've seen throughout. So ama challenges akhona ke uthola ukuthi kunalabo ke abayi parallel ke abalandela uMampadi bese kuba nalaba abanye ke inhlanzana nje few abalandela kuna laba members we task team especially ubaba Ngobeni. I think abanye bamzwile interview ke ku media because media ke uyayaza ngithi gijemela anything nje ezakhosa any nje namanje ke njengoba sazi ukuthi no president ukusho several times lokho ukuthi iMK is under a lot of attack. And kuneyimali ezikhishiwe ukuthi ku-attackwe umkhonto wesizwe credibility umkhonto wesizwe. So anything nje about umkhonto wesizwe it's blown out of proportion. Seku-interview abantu you'll never understand ukuthi in what capacity. But then on top of that ke hayi siyasebenza noma sinama challenges ukuthi kuneyimali ze organization uMampadi azange transferele ku account ye organization mina before even ngifika before I dismissive. So wa expelwa but then wa reinstate wa court ke asa expeliwe nalapho wafana hand over imali nama account wa refuser and then ke wa reinstate nalapho ke wa change as the accounting officer because kune policy ye party funding la organization SG wabhalela uspeaker we provincial legislature ukuthi siyamkhipha uMampadi sesivula ama account amasha and then depositani imali ye constituency ne caucus because now nama members we provincial legislature depends ukuthi ayingakhi legislature or parliament those members this leadership sibambeka inyawo nezandla asinayo ama resources because of the former convener owala nama resources firstly. Secondly ke manje ne ANC speaker seyingene into the fray nayo iyala ukuthi I transfer imali ze organization ngoba excuse kwa ukuthi no bafuna legal opinion ngoba uMampadi ureinstateiwe. I-court judgment has nothing to do ne-issue ye-bank account ye-organization nokuthi how should we be using imali ze-organization. So those are the challenges ezikhona ke and we explain over and over. I think nalesikhathi invite Mgobodi ukuthi beze bazo welcome the new members. Sibatshelile asikwazi ukuba provide transport but ke kube na other very helpful business people abakwazile ukuthi ba arrange and then lo besimu welcome sisazakhuluma ngaye naye ke kunaloku akucontributile for that. Ngizwile ke kwamanye ama voice note but hayi Mkhwebane uzengana nix. It's because we don't have the resources. And I think abanye abantu those that is the last person who can say that ngoba abanye abantu mabakubona bathi hayi bo i-public protector fanele ube ney'mali nako konke bakhohlwe ukuthi nami ngisaba njengobhongwane nangu umuntu wala ne-pension nawo amakhota ayangenelela I've lost everything about my livelihood. Yeah, so those are the things if I had I would also be assisting, but then manje siphila ngomusa wani wama donations and anyone who can help us because anything needs money. But that's why we are encouraging ukuthi such events usibizile si detachment sashona khona ukuthi sihlanganise ke sivele siyokwenza lokho efanele sikwenze umsebenzi weorganization. Yeah.
Hey kunzima emkhontweni ngeke sikuyeke ukulwa siyohlezi silwa njalo emkhontweni kodwa ke akhona amathemba kodwa ukuthi imali yogcina elirelease mhlawumbe iyo account mhlawumbe le efanele ngoba kubuye ngathi manje umkhonto uyavalwa nje uyavinjwa akhona amathemba kodwa
logo ke sivele sibhizi silandelana ne office la ka Secretary General actually High Command I will say that ukuthi they need to follow that up politically but also follow up ngoba wayethelo speaker yofuna legal opinion about the matter and kwakufanele respond already by the 17th of January so logo ke fanele kufollow up High Command engakusho futhi ukuthi now I'm a ground forces because that's what I've been saying student movement youth and anyone or is their right as well ukuthi ba engage and ba agitated towards saying why the money's the organization zibamba and wrongly by the ANC because now this is political. So I think Yona it's something esibhizi ngayo ne-intervention yase nationals yayidinga kakhulu which we are busy following up ukuthi ba follow up nabo.
Siyabona ke lapha eMpumalanga kuthiwa nibambe ofisha abakhulu nabamba ofisha abaphakani nendawo nabancane kwenzakalana eMpumalanga izolo akusithathe kusibeke manje ukuthi inhloso yaleya event eyizolo bekade ithini into yakhona
inhloso yale event yayizolo iorganizwe ma commanders wase Ward 15 and it's a ward event eMgobodi Ward 15 sub-region in Nkomazi then everyone ke wase sub-region then baphuta ke all their effort bahlangana ke ba organize le event kani ke I big fish njengoba usho u former mayor uMkhatshwa wase Nkomazi Umkhatshwa has been a very experienced member of the ANC. We are serve in different capacities as a director of human settlement, whatever we youth league, ANC, we executive, whatever now executive committee kupisi amathema amabili then whatever ne SH in the legislature whatever nase waba mayor so he's the one ke wacoshwa 3 years ago wahlala ke azange ayendawo wathi manje nasekabona ukuthi nayi umkhonto wesizwe ubelivela kule ideology ka yomkhonto wesizwe no President Zuma wavele wathi hayi kusekhaya la angifuni nokuthi bangibize ngiyazizela so uyeke ke ebeku big fish recruitiwe ke then ke ngendlela athandwa ngayo kwi community yakhe especially sub region based on umsebenzi wakhe ilegacy yakhe because wakhe that state of the art hall abanye bebabuza ukuthi why nithi 1000 ngani hall iphatha abantu abangaki. That one is a very specialized one. It's huge. State of the art. We are saying it can take up to 1,400 people, and we are gonna la old age ba holela khona kunama offices, and then ubenzele nje kuningi amanzi indlela walungisa. So somebody owenze kusho umsebenzi wakho uyazikhulumela. Njengoba bengisho ukuthi no President Zuma, some of us sibone imisebenzi yakhe izikhulumela, siyabona ukuthi this vision yaka President Zuma is what we will follow, and the ideology yomkhonto wesizwe. Yabona sibonile ukuthi kunama university akhiwe, sibonile the lives ezisaviwe ngama ARVs, sibonile huge infrastructure development eyenzakele, oceans economy, small businesses. Remember ma 30% set aside labe ku compulsory ukuthi bathole indaba zabo mining charter. So naye umkhatshwa has done well, and that's why a lot of people came forth and said sikhamba naye asisasala. So therefore mina ngisabiza ngithi hey abajoinayo abaze ngaphambili, hayi bangitshela bathi hey yonke ihall nabogogo nabomkhulu abafundisi abalaphi bendabuko amakhosi. Nangibuza lapha ngithi abanye abaphakamisanisa kwaru the whole area baphakamisa izandla ukuthi no, bona they are joining umkhonto wesizwe. So sibhizi ke baya process and then sebenza they must have ama programs. Yeah, ngiyezwakala.
Yes, uyezwakala noma kubuye kukhathe manje.
Am I audible?
Iyaba i-network kodwa nje ibuye ibe consabotage khona. Uyazi ukuthi into emkhontweni esibonga kakhulu eyokuthi umkhonto wesizwe ngesikhathi unenkinga ila ukhula khona ngamandla. Ngesikhathi umkhonto nje bewugwaza khona ila umkhonto ukhula khona ngamandla. Yabona ngihlezi ngisho ngithi mina imedia ayikaze iminathi. Once ngenyilanga sabona imedia sikuthanda amomkhwebane sikubiza njalo, iyobe sikhona inkinga lapho. Ngoba imedia ayikazi yasithanda. Uma ujabheka imedia ayibizi nombani, ibiza laba ebona ukuthi bazokhuluma into ezokwazi emkhontweni. Enye into leyo enzima kakhulu leyo, but eMpumalanga sifuna ukubonga kakhulu. Ngithola ikhona namhlanje kuseni kwathiwa sicela khoma usibongele ngamomkhwebane, usibongele kakhulu. Abafowethu nomama nobaba odade bethu abaphila nge-disability bathe nje bacela ngibabongele kakhulu kuwe. Bathe nje bacela ngibabongele kakhulu kuwe. Base bengichazela futhi ukuthi bathi befika kuwe wavula nje izandla waba umzali kubona. Bathe nje ngibabongele kakhulu abafowethu abaphila nge-disability. Bathe nje ngibonge kakhulu umsebenzi wakho muhle kakhulu nokubamkela bathe nje ubenze abantu bayibona futhi nabo befana nawo wonke umuntu. Bathe nje angoba bongela nje kakhulu. Ngamanye amazwi leyo ungayiyeki, qhubeka nayo njalo. Yazi kulamalanga lawo emkhontweni kuningi kuyaxokozela, kuningi kakhulu kuyaxokozela. Sikhuza ngapha sikhuze ngapha sikhuze ngapha sikhuze ngapha. Imaphi amazwi ongafisa ukuthi nje uwasho kubantu bomkhonto wesizwe njengamanje kulesimo sonke nje sibhekene naso?
Ukuthi njengoba well mangikhuluma ekuqaleni ngithe asi emulating uPresident Zuma. That's very critical. Efanele sikwazi ukuthi we are under a lot of attack. Esifanele sikwazi ukuthi there's a lot of money ebhadaliwe ukuthi kube nabantu abazokhosa istagnation, abangeke bafune ukubona ama programs ayaphambili, abazokwenza ukuthi bathukane balethe iculture engekho umkhonto wesizwe.
esingayaziyo
esingayazi. And uPresident Zuma ukhulume several times wathi yazi ngendlela ama-post nama-position amaningi ngakho nami ngibona la Mpumalanga abantu abarealize ukuthi uzabe ulwela ufuna ungena ku-provincial or ku-regional detachment or ku-sub-regional detachment, what detachment kusese nama-VD detachment. And Imkhonto Wesizwe is a VD-based organization. So ama-positions maningi, and on top of that mawungene lapho kuma-structures awusakwazi ukuthi uxamalaze uyoseva naku either a-council, angithi siya ku-2026 uyoba i-council, awusakwazi ukuthi uyoba i-member of parliament or i-member of legislature unless ke uPresident Zuma athi yabona ke Commander Com wena siyabona ukuthi okay ungaseva la ungaseva nangapha, but in very exceptional circumstances is allowed. So there's a lot of work to be done ngoba kunokuthi si affectwe ukuthi kwenzakalani in the media space, knowing very well ukuthi whatever happens kumkhonto wesizwe iba nje i-breaking news, sibe si-analyziwa, sibe si-criticiziwa. And ebangakuboni ukuthi I understand you mawuthi yazi media naseyithanda, and vele that is questionable because i-media phela uPresident Zuma every day is in the news. It's because they always think ukuthi it's character assassination. Myself as well as convener waseMpumalanga, the issue ye persecution engayifaced as public protector and all that happened, ne antagonism ye media against me, because also that was I was also facing a persecution by the three arms of the state, including the fourth state, which is the media. So any person nje ongathi umkhwebane agenzi kahle le izoba igcwele nje ku media ba interviewiwe noma abantu banganayikhundla uzwe nje sebathi hey nanga umuntu interviewile uattacka uconvene. It's because bona kubona angeke bababize, but just because they are fighting against this person, a media will then come. But on the other hand, mina ngithi the way we are on the media and we are being attacked, any media uyabona kanengi vele i-mainstream media, you'd see that they don't give us airtime kangako, but the way they are always challenging us and criticizing us, it's a free marketing for us. Mina ngakusho iloko. Yabona, on the other hand, as sima commanders sazi ukuthi whatever they report asifakeni nje cotton wool endlebeni, thina siyosebenza eground. Kunama Green Friday fanele siwayenze, ezinye azidingi ama resources. Ama Green Friday siseva kuma SGB enkolweni la abantwana abafunda khona, siseva kuma committees wama clinic, senza nje umsebenzi lo wabogogo nabasemholweni, siyaya siyobancedisa. Amanzi nakangekho siyobakhelela amanzi, uyabona. Abanye siyabaphekela, siyabaklinela. Ngibone nje amanye ama programs eGarisibande bayile bayoklinela ugogo, bamenzela ukudla, bamenzela washing. Yabona nje, it goes a long way. As we said even the last time, nakhona ekolweni sibabambe nje basesebancane, sisebenzisane nabo, siba encourage. So ukuba yi politician awudingi in fact i-leader awudingi school, ube i-leader nje without a title, in the sense ukuthi in your community umakhelwane unceda njani, istradi sakho sinceda njani, because you are a leader. And mawustarta lapho then sizakwazi ukuthi sikutruste ngokukhulu. I think we know that ukuthi sometimes uzabu expect ukuthi uyoba i-chairperson, but unfortunately awukwazi kwawena uku leader in your space. Yabona estradeni sakho nje asistarte lapho before sizoyispreada outside, because ukuba leader it has different aspects to it. You might not be capable of having degrees na anything, but then you might be a person ophiwe nje ukuthi wena you are always gifted in serving the community. So mina ilokho engakusho nje ukuthi asenzeni njalo. So ubonile nalapha ngiyabonga ukuthi sibonge people with disabilities siba engage kakhulu, and kunama programs esiwenzayo. Kunenye case nje izongena nge-19 zaka February Victor Khanye Delmas. This Alex wadutshulwa 7 years ago by one of the politicians khona lapha we-ANC. So case has been delaying, and the organization people with disabilities basebenzisana nathi ukuthi si support the victim, but as well sithole nama programs wabo which we are saying we will incorporate them, because bacelile nabo people with disability basubmitele their programs, student movements basubmitele their programs, military veterans nabo bane structure sabo, abalaphi bendabuko, religious sector. So that the traditional leaders, because we said let's incorporate all those in our programs, support all over, because that's what is the challenge. Nkomazi sub-region has given a challenge to a number of other sub-regions, Mpumalanga, because nabo bathi hey hayi nathi sifuna ukubiza convener ne detachment nizo support, and indeed we are ready to serve them, organize, and some events they might not even need any resources, food. Ngaba program ya 2 hours isifike siyenze. That's what we did at Middleburg. Lab is consultant and all the stakeholders. It was a 3-hour program. From there, then people are traveling back home until such time se resolve lendaba yama resources. So what I would say ukuthi esikwenzako asikwenze ngiyazi ukuthi the last time kwakukhulunywa ngendaba ukuthi and people have lost jobs, abanye baxoshiwe emsebenzini. It's a number of cases is brought to my attention. Abanye baya kuma hearing, abanye ke bathathwela inkoloyi, izindlu. The way they put everything ukunceda umkhonto wesizwe ube la ukhona. Therefore asisafuna ukuthi 2026 si subject ama ground forces to that, but nabo ngicho ngiti whatever we can do engadingi ama resources asiyenzeni ngothando, because siyenzela umphakathi, and we are preparing ourselves ukuphatha phela ngoba nawo amanye ama position angakanani nasingasebenza hard sizokwazi ukuphatha labo masipala. And then everyone uzabe asebenza, everyone nasi ngoba simkhonto wesizwe sithi nathi sizo insourcer security, cleaning, abantu babe nomsebenzi, babe ne dignity where they work. Those with businesses nabo uthola ukuthi they are given umsebenzi by the government, umasipala, so that bazo change impilo zabantu. So I think that's the encouragement I can give Babu Com. And lapha ke lo former mayor udonate ama wheelchair i4. It was so emotional. Yazi bona umntwana omncane angakwazi ukuhamba, akhamba nge-wheelchair fanele iphushwe, ubatholele the electronic ones.
Wow.
So yeah, bagibela bazi driver. It was so emotional. And it was something efanele kube we do it in all our communities. Laba banako bavele ba develop uthando lokuthi siseve whatever we can. So bawapha nabantwana ke besikolo laba aba indigent wabathengela icathulo zesikolo. So it was just a very, very progressive and a very successful event. But it doesn't mean others nabo nabenza event they must do that, because indeed akunama resources, there's high unemployment, and siyambona no government nje i-maladministration is still a lot. Those with businesses abaseve government, they are still not paid or not paid in time. So logo kusesekhona kakhulu. Yeah.
Hey, yabona eMpumalanga ne-influence enhle. Yonke emnandi ngalo ukuthi ni-influence nje enhle. Nginenkinga engicela ukuthi ngikufake kuyo namhlanje. Ngihleze ngithola ama-calls awodwa. Kuma province amaningi kunalenkinga leyo ukuthi abantu bajoyina umkhonto wesizwe ngobuningi babo nangothando. Mase kubakhona abantu laba especially abantu abahlupha kakhulu, abahluphi kakhulu abaqhamuka kwamanye ama-party, especially laba abaqhamuka kwi-ANC lesuka kuyo sonke nathi. Abantu abathema ngabe befika kuma-VD noma kuma-ward abo bafuna lento yokuphatha, yabona le kade ukuthi nje nombani uyazibeka ukuthi wena uconvener ucoordinator wena wini bezibekana. Leyanto i-end up kukhona abantu ebashiya ngaphandle. Mangabe ungavumi ukubhawa ngaphansi kwabo, i-end up ikushiya ngaphandle. I-end up bengasakwazi, bengasabona ukuthi siyaphambili noma siyemumva, kugcine sekumile. But into engifisa kakhulu ukuthi ngiyababona ke labo ke abafika baba amabhoza bebefika kumawadi abo baphatha bacontrola everything ukuthi isebenze ngendlela yabo ingathini. Ngifuna kakhulu ukhulume kulaba abafile ngazuthi manje babantu abashiwe ngaphandle, abantu abangasawuboni kahle umkhonto ngoba labantu abakumawadi abo benza bona bangafili comfortable, kuba ngathi abawona umkhonto bewumkhonto wesizwe. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ukukhulume nabo ukuthi iyiphi indlela abangayenza ngoba I think le mkhontweni uIsla beMpumalanga, but emkhontweni sine constitution esho izinto eziningi ekumele uzilandele. Kodwa khona umnyanga bangawuvulanga ukuthi mangabe unenkinga uya kuphi. Ukuze lento eswingaphakathi kimi ngifuna ukuthi ngiyibhodle ngikhulume yilaphi la ngiyakhona ngoba njengamanje sinabantu abaningi abalimele. Bathi ke icancer iba easy cancer mangabe isa stage 1 isaqala. Mangabe uyibambe lapho icancer kuba easy kakhulu ukuthi uyitreat, kodwa mase ku stage 4 ila iba nzima kakhulu ukuthi udile nayo. Abantu emkhontweni abaningi kakhulu ngeke siqamba manga ngeke sipretend futhi ukuthi abantu emkhontweni abaningi kakhulu balimele. Belinyazwa abantu abakumawadi abo abaphethe yonke into, abatake over yonke into, abacontrola everything futhi abenza sure ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe awusebenzi ngalendlela le wona osuke ufuna ukusebenza ngayo, but umkhonto wesizwe bawufuna ngalendlela yabo bona bafuna ngayo. Ungathini kubantu abafila njengamanje ngathi umkhonto ubabeke eceleni ubabeka ngaphandle enibadilele futhi. Ngiyababona laba abakuthiwa laba phethe vele. Ngifuna sekulaba njengamanje abalimele ukuthi eMpumalanga ngine-show uthemba ungena eMpumalanga lonto le uyificile ngoba into ebikhona wonke ama-province ukuthi nalabo bantu labo, but ngifisa mina ukuthi nenze kanjani eMpumalanga ukudila nesimo esinjalo.
Babu Commander leyo I mentioned the last time ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe bathi it's like ibafana bafana. Ngiyakhumbula ibafana bafana i-national team ngoba sinabavela ku Kaizer Chiefs, abavela ku Pirates, abavela ku Swallows, abavela ku SuperSport. So and in last vela khona vela sinama beliefs nangendlela ebestrainwa ngayo, yabona, ne style of doing things. Now laba abanye ke bafike bese umuntu uphuma kwenye organization afike afune ukungena ngokuthi naye ufuna ukuphatha. And okubuhlungu ukuthi every time bazabathi hayi mina ngifuna position but ngabe kwenzakala kusho ukuthi every time they criticize everything. Abalethi solution, which I will say firstly, kuleyo issue yoku yalaba abalimele kakhulu. I think i-organization ngoba manje khani sisa-builda ama structures. Engakusho kibo ukuthi laba ababhosi abafuna ukuhoda everything babe ma gatekeepers. Angeke bakwazi ukubamba everything. The elephant is too big for them ukuthi uzoba na that spirit sokuthi wena ufuna ukubamba everything, awufuni anyone asondele. So what I will say to them ukuthi let them stop doing that, because unless siba accuse ngokuthi kusho ukuthi nabo bangenele ukustifula i-growth ye-organization. Uyayibona, because now uzongena bese when uyaphatha bese uvalela everyone ngaphandle. So it's either then wena uzele ukuzodestroya umkhonto, wena uzele uzomake sure ukuthi umkhonto akuna program eyenzayo. Because if anyone afika ne-idea athi no asibeni nalokhu aproposer or benzi Green Friday or fazenzela yena aziphekela isobho lakhe aziyela lapha yokupha labantwana abalala lapha estradini, azigcokela isikipa sakhe somkhonto wesizwe, bese wena ke uthi ngoba wena kuphethe wena. That must not happen. It will be then something very questionable and suspicious. Uguti and this thing would no, this is my ward, this is my area. Yes, we need to engage, but then sometimes there's things which we need to do. So I will say uguti laba ke abavaleleke ngaphandle, their work is, the elephant is too huge. Because remember, njengeMpumalanga sisesene provincial detachment. What we also did, which we need to implement, si establish nama committees, because khona abantwana abaningi abahleli abangasebenzi, aba unemployed graduate, abanama expertise, and nasenza that pool of all of them ngoba sithi senza ama committees woke, tourism committee, innovation science, and any committee. Nasnabo, then we have that capacity. That's one of the pillars. You remember, Leo build capacity. Now, when we legislature na ivula, ne parliament say startile manje, that's where we will say to them, Nina be forestry, for instance, in the qualification in that aspect. Can you help us with this research? Can you go down kulama plus lapha iMpumalanga phela manengi ama forestry farms, kunama workers there, but business opportunities for small businesses and all the get us the information on the ground. They can then ngesikhathi sakaThabo Mbeki wavala a lot of ama-TVET khani ithi indaba yama-TVET ibuya, because abanye abantwana uthola ukuthi they are not given, they are not gifted elementary, but une gift yezandla, uyayibona. So I think that's what we are saying is umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi leyo nayo fanele siqalelele, because that's where you'll get artisans. I mean, countries like China, they've got a lot of artisans, and baba biza good ma technical workers. Uthola ukuthi abana ma qualifications but then they are gifted ezandleni. So what I will say to those lose everything beze kumkhonto, baluza imisebenzi, baluza everything, now bafika sebayafuna ukugive up ukuthi hey sekufakwe uzibanibani uyafika ubuya kwa-ANC of ubuya kuphi so uthethe position. I'll say let them not give up, because one thing efanele bayidrille kuyibo ukuthi le position ye structure ayibhadali. You understand? Now if umuntu uthola ukuthi currently you still can't survive on your own, usadependa ku 350 a lot of them, or uyasebenza nje awuna anything. Now if you do this organizational work, you'd find yourself usebenza fanele travel kunama meetings uye past phezulu, you are a leader, so don't give up uzitshela ukuthi I want to get in. Rather, let's work hard ukuthi sizokuthatha labo masipala. Let's plan ahead. Uyabona? Sifane nalamabhunu a plan ahead. Ngangitshela one meeting ngithi amabhunu uCyril bam prepare dala. Uyabona bamfundisa university, the Minel family and whatever, bam groom, bam prepare wayongena ku NUM, bam groom until such time bam identify ukuthi now you are ready. Uyabona uyakhumbula ngesikhathi saka Mandela, uMandela angamenzi I deputy president wangala wabuyela ku business, but later ke unfortunately wabuyiswa ke wangenela futhi. So uyabona ukuthi bane forward thinking, the giraffe view babonela le, so nabo laba ke abanga give up. Let's have a giraffe view njengoba boyishilo the last time, you remember uthe the 14-year-olds and 15-year-olds asibabambe manje ngiba bazabe bavota ngo-2029. So the 2/3 majority as starting now si prepare, because that's our challenge most of the time. Thina isizwe simnyama ukuthi sometimes sifuna izinto zenzeke masinya. Yabona asinayo leyo patience yokubuild asazi ukuthi our end goal is this one. So what I will say ukuthi abangaphela amandla nabo laba baphethe abazihlolisise banga end up regard as if they are enemies of progress within MK Party. Yeah, aba be very open and ba update. It should be it's fourth industrial revolution. It's easy to communicate. That's what we've done in Mpumalanga. And then in the provincial one, cities, we will only be information sharing. But now we are saying the people we've identified to be regional leaders, whilst waiting for head office to appoint them, let them start have their groups. Let them start prepare ama sub-regions, ama what. Let them prepare their programs. And then benzen, share that information. Kuma WhatsApp groups. Kushuti ama WhatsApp group abe ulogo ukuthi now we are building, preparing for ama programs with visibility. Come 2026, we will be a well-oiled machine. Unfortunately, it's still a struggle for us to focus people to say, as use any this tool properly. Manje sayu akusesa khona laba abafew abazaba lokho baletha diverter, joking, name calling, and want to involve themselves kwizinto ezingasani phambili, because I think we should be refocusing ourselves. But then I think I've taken a long route just to say laba baphethe, let's be open and be transparent. Laba nama workers, so there's still that opportunity for them.
Siyabonga kakhulu, yazi khona umbuzo ohlezi njalo ngibuzwa wona but angikwazi ukuphendula. Mhlawumbe uzawuphendula futhi bangakuvumela ungawuphendula futhi. Abantu abaningi ba confuse kakhulu njengamanje ukuthi emkontweni bakudentify kanjani ukuthi wena njengamanje siyakudinga ekutsheni ungene la ungena khona ama-structure ngoba ikhona lento abantu abafila ngayo kuba ngazuthi thina besigijima sivotela umkhonto sigijima umkhonto but njengamanje sibuka sekufika abantu abafikayo abanye ba-take over yabo so kahle kahle emkhontweni yiphi indlela abayisebenzisayo ukuze naye lo yibuza namhlanje akuthole ukuphenduleka ukuthi kukhona ukuphenduleka okuzoba khona ngoba ey'ndaweni ey'ningi yabona ke kwakhethwa i-leadership ese-Gauteng bangabahipha abantu kwakhethwa i-KZN bangabahipha abantu iMpumalanga kuphela la siyibone engathi impela kuthuli khona cha kuthule eMpumalanga but kodwa kwezinye indawo uyezwa ukuthi abantu abekho happy ama-calls ayangena la ngapha ayikhomo thina ngeke sihlala phansi umkhonto ukubona kanjani ukubheka kanjani umkhonto ukuthi wena uright for lo msebenzi lo bakunikeza.
I think I question yakho ngizoyi-answer into two ways ukuthi mina ngendlela engibona ngayo uPresident Zuma mangimlalele nganingi lesikhathi asakhuluma ukuthi ningalwela ama-positions ikhundla ikaningi ngoba umkhonto usakhiwa. The first part ukuthi some of us size sesiphethe ama-mental wethu sigwaziwe la sibuya khona uyayibona ne-experience esilethayo ne-expertise esilethayo kumkhonto wesizwe ngoba ikayi-2 this thing abomkhwebane na degree yakhe mhlambe ye-engineering but usipha zange kasebenze compare no Brian Molefe uyayibona ukuthi asenzeni njalo ukuthi when it comes to lokho ukuthi sipersecutiwe isystem ngoba now umuntu ufuna ukukhipha another black njengo-President Zuma ukukhipha umuntu onzima emhlagweni ku-poverty la ozabe ulwa ne-international imperialist capitalist well you understand uvele wena umkhwebane uthi no mara i-mandate ye-Reserve Bank ngendlela ingayo sizokuhlala nezizukulu sihlupheka if i-remaina ngendlela eremaina ngayo then you don't touch the banks so uza naleyo experience and then singenwe because of that so nabang-understand that bese kuba nalaba-ke aba-shrewd politicians uthola ukuthi ungene njengalo mayor lo ustarte as ku-youth league ube leader ube ku-PEC ube I'm just giving an example some of them beze because bathi yabona le train le siyayifuna singena kiyo ene banaleyo experience fanele ukuthi nabazongena kulama structures lawo now iprocess yaseMpumalanga ngendlela esiyenze ngayo ukuthi it was not easy nakhona because eMpumalanga unfortunately kube another thing ukuthi no we discriminating against this Gersibande region yona kule 3 regions is not represented kwafanele ukuthi si indicate ukuthi no there are 2 ababuye Ger yes kwaba issue ukuthi well which I found nangifika ukuthi the people abase legislature abaningi bakhona babuya from one region enkangala la kubuya khona the previous convener so kwaba ukuthi ke nangena kwaba ne statement esashiwo SG ukuthi we need to correct that ngendaba ye representation iGert especially because ya performa good ma elections yabona so kwaba ukuthi we will have to consider that. But again the issue yokuthi equal representation kuma region I3 ne issue ke composition ye gender composition. Now that has been tried ukuthi yenziwe under the deputy president's delegated responsibility. Good naseng vakashela ama regions the task team bese ba defile phumile kule management group la bes planner corner all these things then ngakhamba ne national high command which unfortunately nabo they are not fully capacitated. Remember that's one thing people confuse Babu I'm just digressing kancane. I-constitution in a national high command is that 45 members efanele kube it's a decision making and then bona ba overseer high command ama officials so but deployed kuma various provinces. Mpumalanga unfortunately Mpumalanga si performance number 2 in the country. Sinomuntu oyi-1 obuye Mpumalanga oserve in that national high command out of I think 40 members. Then bese kuba na additional people ubabu Commander Sidu no Commander Mdebele babuye Gauteng but they were deployed ukuthi bazonceda eMpumalanga. So ngibo ke besikhamba nabo kuma regions. The strategy was we engage you on the ground. Nina niyabaza ngithi abantu enisebenza nabo. Ngoba what I was doing bekuthi kibo i-constitution esinayo that's this document you need to understand ukuthi ujoin umkhonto as an individual. I'll see member ye member.
Yeah.
And now join umkhonto awujoineli i-position. Very clear layer declaration. But secondly ngathi kibo what is a caliber of a person efanele nim identify because it's somebody ozabe in the community or in your region njalo kuleyo community uyayazi ama dynamics waleyo ndawo uyazi ukuthi lana abanye uzabe azi nokuthi kunama child headed household kunabogogo abayingakhi kule area yami ebefanele sibancede userve ku SGB userve kule committee clinic manje ngathi kibo uye na ku code of conduct ye constitution la izokutshela khona ukuthi yini ama offenses lawa akunikeza the kind of a cadre efanele kube sinayo. So you can't have a person or sexually abusing, raping, assaulting, insulting kuleso strata nje yena nakavela uvela uyasela from Friday to Monday to Sunday, then you want that kind of a person ukuthi abe leader. Yabona ukuthi that was what I was saying to them ukuthi the kind of a person enimchoose kufanele kube umuntu ozabe ana that stigma egu community. Somebody ongeke aloka khosa ama parallel because kwakhona ukhosa ama parallel nama factional groups no create wedge. It's an offense in terms of this constitution. So uthola umuntu yena ongafuni ukuphathwa bakhona abangafuni ukuphathwa bona bafuna lokho baphatha. So nase bangakamfaki yena soyovula iWhatsApp group yakhe so ne thimba lakhe. So ngathi you need a person oza emulator umsholozi ngamashi ozabe a leader athanda respecta i-authority ay somebody ongeke abe accused of these things ang somebody ongabribeki because khona labo uthola ukuthi baphiwa ama 200 rand ukuthi yenza ukuthi umuntu ne record la lokho ukuthi nakunama by elections yena ungumkhonto mara nase kufika enye political party imnikeza 500 rand ukuthi hayi wena party agent but just turn a blind eye. So you can't have that kind of a person who have a lead. So that's what I was telling them. These are the kind of people efanele ukuthi baphathe. Unfortunately, that process ngathi azange yenzeke kubo KZN nase Gauteng, and I know some of them were also saying, but umuntu onje abanye bebathuka president, abanye beba ngasebenzi, abanye be. So I think that is for the leadership ukuthi they can go back and also engage and give, possibly engage lapho on the ground ukuthi okay umuntu nje simngenise because nayi imsebenzi yakhe, nawo ama credentials, sibone enza lokhu, siyabona ukuthi uzaba leader, because abanye bebathi no omunye uthola ukuthi yena bekathukana emagroupini at disrespectful, but manje so ungene ku detachment. Yayibona, so kube ukuthi kwangathi ku promote ukuthi okay kufanele ube loud and being insulting for you ukuthi ungene ku position. So what I will say ukuthi I think that needs to be taken care. Kuyaphi ke nalokho, kuya nakule ndaba yama candidates, because I was saying to them, once we have that culture, then sizokwazi nokuthi nase sibeka isithombe sakho for ama local government elections, it's your photo manje ezothengisa, akusese ifoto kaMsholozi unfortunately. So now sifaka ifoto yakho mara ngapha wena you are going from strat to corner, you are this person or insulter, you are this person or disrespectful, you are this person who's not helping your community. So I think that is what we should strive as leadership to do. I hope I've covered both aspects. Ukuthi kuna laba bazoza vele namamendlela ne-expertise, kuna laba ke nanoma banganako mara on their communities imsebenzi yabo nempatho iyazibonakalisa, therefore fanele kube siconsidera bona. But laba bangakangeni nabo asithini bazongena nasekuya ke emsebenzini wakuba ma-councillors nemisebenzini ezavuleka ke nakube nama projects we SMK nasiku government ke manje sesine budget, siyazi ukuthi kuvuleka amathuba, though we can't say only sichasha abantu abayi-MK senze njengalawo amanye ama-party thola ukuthi ba discriminate against every other political parties, but thina sizo make sure ukuthi everyone uyasebenza.
Uyichaze kahle mangabe uthi ekuqaleni umkhonto wesizwe ibafana bafana.
Yeah.
Eqhamuka kuma political party ahlukahlukene. Ngento ngeso ukuthi ube umthwalo walabantu bonke lapha, ngoba before nje ngimemezelile maningi ama calls engiwatholile, siyacela ukuthi mama uKwebane bandla usibuzele ukuthi usisize kuloko. Kuningi kakhulu, ngeke ngikubale konke, ngeke futhi ukukhave futhi konke. Njengoba siqhamuka sonke kwibafana bafana emaqembini ahlukahlukene sila manje sibafana bafana. Njengoba sikubonile uqhamuka kwi-EFF, abanye baqhamuka kwi-ANC, abanye kwi-NFP, lapho la baqhamuka khona. Siyahlonipha futhi kakhulu ubuholi benu kuqhamuka ngendawo ehlukene, senikhona emkhontweni manje. Aniyenzi lento ukuthi uma ngabe usukhona eMpumalanga kodwa abantu ozobafaka ama structure lawa azobe khona, ama poster onke lawa azoba khona, uzobheka kwi-team yakho la usuka kuyo. Awuyenzi imlondo leyo, angibuzi kuwena, angikho, kodwa into leyo eyenza kwesinye isikhathi igcina nayo ubona ukuthi iyayifaka lento kuthina ngaphakathi, yabona kugcina sekukhona twani kwigama ngafika usebenzisa lishuwo 8 win to abamafikizolo, uyayibona amagama lawo ongalibuka lishuwo ududu kodwa akuyena ududu, uyayibona izinto ezisuke zikhona ngaphakathi ukuthi nikusebenzisa kanjani kwibafana bafana ekutheni yonke into ibe equal, ungabi khona i-team ebuya sengazi ukuthi le team yona engathi manje hayi ischeme sayo asisaselectwa, uyabona sekuselectwa kakhulu Mkhwebane sambona uqhamuka laphayana kwi-ANC engathi manje usedonsa kakhulu lapha kwi-ANC ekutheni afake lapha le efaka khona lo nto leyo nicontrola kanjani into enjalo ukuthi yonke into ibalance kahle kungabi khona umuntu okhalayo ngoba sona isikalo sikhona nesiqamba manga sikhona isikalo nisolva kanjani into enjalo ngithe eMpumalanga i-example i-influence futhi enhle
yes, yeah, that is a challenge ekhona. eMpumalanga nami nangifika Commander Khomo kwakune complaint kuma WhatsApp groups kuthiwa no well it was a comment ebeyibhlungu ngizothoma lapho and it was very like demeaning comment because mawufika kwi-organization uthola abantu bakhona bayasebenza kunabantu aba very you know hands on aba volunteer to assist yabo abeza phambili ukuthi okay ngathi nangifika mina ngathola ama report ngathi kibo bangithumelela ama report labe bebakhona kuma structures bangithumelela ngazifundela wona but then kwaba nokuthi abanye ke bathi no we can help ngaloku naloku ebebakhona kumkhonto wesizwe. I'm just telling you ukuthi ibe khona i-challenge nangifika nakhona ukuthi why ngisebenza na other volunteers who were support staff in my office ngoba ngina office anyway but for now abantu abaza ukuthi no si available okay uyendaweni so basithelele ipetrol zabo bazi availe now uthi okay nginida information enje bakuncedise so kwaba nokuthi ke aba na that squabble nje ukuthi yeah asibafuni ababani nabobani which they were saying no babantu baka Mary abanye babantu baka Gameda abanye so kwaba bekuna that thing leyo engitholile besides ke ukuthi mina ngizathi ngiza nabantu bami yabo that is not correct actually ukuthi si perpetuate that thing yokuthi nangiza manje. Yes, there are very personal people efanele nawe ubathemba ngithi efanele usebenze nabo much as ngikhumbula ngisese public protector i-spokesperson sakho i-PA yakho
yeah
those are the very personal people efanele kube babantu bakho you understand but then when it comes to finance people HR and all those indeed fanele si try by all means as leaders to stay away from that and abantu sibanikeze umsebenzi based on their expertise and their availability because abanye they are so willing to help as bazizele athi mina I can help with this I can help nase kancedile nakuvela opportunity I think we need to always also guidwe I principle ye transparency yokuthi singa discriminate because makuvela imsebenzi fanele kube sifaka abantu abakhona because emkhonto wesizwe futhi ibhlungu kakhulu because there were a number of people ebebasebenza bangabhadalwa ba volunteera ba yazini basebenza like how we are saying now now maseku ready ibhodo selivuthiwe bona abasekho manje etafuleni ibhlungu vele yona bese mina ngiyeza ngiza nabantu bami engibuya le which is something any other person can do it's not lezinto ezithunge ngizimenshina ukuthi yabona when it comes to PA when it comes to a spokesperson because that person you need to align not that person so that you communicate and somebody owazi nange organization and very grounded nge issues long for us as leaders ukuthi nasingena manje sibuya la sibuya khona bese sifaka abantu esibuya nabo la sibuya nabo khona because it creates unnecessary tension in an organization yabona because now bese kuba na that strive esiba khona yabo I think we need to just lead by example. We need to lead nge-integrity because constitution yethu inama principles nama values efale silide ngawo and thina nasima leader fanele silide by example singakwenzi lokho bese sifana siyakwenza thina but nasekwenziwa ngabanye bese kuba kwangathi benze okumbi so as lead any issue yeah one of the principles honesty and respect which is very much critical because honesty it also goes to the fact yokuthi how honest you are you empower any other person and you also listen to people who have been there. If we are leaders, have we ever taken stock ukuthi mara kunobani because hence I'm giving you an example ukuthi ngithole laba abanye bebangabafuni hey bebabantu bakaMary but when those people were working with the previous convener they never questioned, they never said anything and uthole ukuthi abanye babo bakhitshwa at a certain stage yabo then nabo laba abebasebenza naye nase angekho leyo position. I think we need to check out okay their expertise is in this and let them volunteer because I was saying to them people are volunteering okay nawe ufuna volunteer okay please arrangele I venue senzele ukuthi bese ke kuba ukuthi umuntu yena uziprova yena